There are many types of the plastering. प्रथमे आमे प्लास्टरिंग रो चेकलिस्ट जानि नबा। प्लास्टरिंग रे आमे प्री, ड्यूरिंग और पोस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन रे कौन करिबा। In the top of checklist, make practice to fill the project details, location details, material details, construction workers details with the assigned subcontractor, and it will be required at the defect liability period once bad workmanship is found. DLP means that is the workmanship warranty. There are 6 columns. First, serial number. Second, description. Third, required value or input as per the drawing. Fourth, method of check, that means which tools shall be used during the checking process. Fifth, actual value of job. Sixth, remark, or you can put the tolerance for checking. Please take your time and carefully review each step of this process. Currently, we are discussing gypsum plastering work within a My1 RCC structure through this checklist. My engineering friends, please watch the entire video to proper guidelines for the gypsum plaster masonry. Step 1. Complete handing over of the RCC with respect to the structural integrity, proper grouting, proper curing, and mechanical, electrical, plumbing clearance. Step 2. Applications of the bonding compound over the RCC surface. Here the bonding compound enhance the bond in between of the gypsum plaster and RCC surface. However, that can help reduce the cracking. Step 3. Making right angle at each room. We must check the right angle at each corner for the horizontal alignment by using the Pythagoras right angle triangle formula. And for the proper edge, we can use the corner tools. Step 4. Bool marking for thickness accuracy. Bottom bool mark shall be done from the right angle marking, then the top bool marking shall be done by the plumb bobs. Step 5. Level pad marking for uniform surface. Vertical level marking should be used to prevent an uneven surface during the construction. Step 6. Gypsum plastering job. Mixing proportions should be the proper manner or according to the manufacturer's instructions. Gypsum plaster must be applied in layer and finishing by the trowels. Step 7. Finishing and touch-up in final. Any snag work or address any defect or imperfection should be done in this step. Don't forget to lift the plaster 150 mm from the concrete floor surface for the skirting job. It can save the materials and uniform level in between tile and plaster vertical surface. Step 8. Checking and inspection. Two most important checking: light pass checking for uniform surface, alignment checking in horizontally and vertically. Step 9. Construction clearance for next stage.